नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं 12th ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट में, जो कि हो रहा है शेरेटन ग्रैंड पैलेस इंदौर में। इस समिट को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है एनएनएस मीडिया ग्रुप ने।
12वें ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट के मुख्य प्रायोजक एमडीएच ग्रुप रहे। समिट में सीपी मसाले के डायरेक्टर मधुप माधव, पीसी कनन एंड कंपनी के मैनेजिंग पार्टनर पीसी के महेश्वरन, एनसीडीएक्स के सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट अरुण यादव, सेसोटेक इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मकरंद मांडके, हमदर्द फूड्स इंडिया के एजीएम मार्केटिंग अमित भटनागर, काशी इम्पेक्स के डायरेक्टर ऋषभ जैन, श्याम धानी इंडस्ट्रीज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के जोनल बिजनेस मैनेजर प्रदीप पारेख, मयंक इंडस्ट्रीज के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मयंक अग्रवाल एवं डीवी एंटरप्राइजेस के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर गौरव अग्रवाल की गरिमामयी उपस्थिति रही।
Sir, welcome to 12th Global Spice Summit, and tell me something about your company and the innovations that are taking place in the company.
So we are from Sesotec India Private Limited. So it belongs to the world-renowned group Sesotec GmbH, and our parent company is based in Germany. Mainly we focus on helping our customer to ensure the product purity in the spices, and so with that, so there is a lot of investment in our R&D, and the same has been passed in our machineries and technologies, and we are developing this kind of market also in India. So our company is based in Pune, and we supply all our equipments to mainly to spices industries who are also the domestic supplier as well as exporting their products, and all our machineries are as per the international compliances like International Food Standards, IFS, then DRC, like that. So we supply the equipment which ensures the product quality, and customer also has a confidence in their final end product. So this is our main line of business, product inspection for the spices industries.
And sir, what are you expecting from 12th Global Spice Summit?
It is our pleasure, since we have been participating this kind of event, so which is being organized by NNS Media, and we are getting a very good response, very good interaction with the prospective customer, existing customer. We get also the inputs from the current trend about the market, and the same is also being discussed in our company with our engineering manager, with our R&D development team, and we are also taking the suggestions from the market, and we are implementing into our product designing. The advantage is that customer also gets all their issues resolved, the pain points are getting addressed, and at the same time we also have the access to the big spice market here in this program.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.